Okay, the last little concepts here in this section are what's called the log to a base power and the base to a log power. We've seen this already. If you take log base A of A raised to the x, so the base and the power here, or the bases here are the same, you basically just get out the power. But it works the other way around. If you start with the base and you raise it to the log with the same base, then what comes out is whatever's here, the x. Now let me show you how these two would work in some examples. So let's say that you were given log base 2 of 2 to the z. The answer would be z, right? So that's just using that property. How about this? How about natural log of e? Now this one's tricky. But let's remember, what does natural log mean? Natural log means log base e. So this is log base e of what? E to what power? Well, if it's not there, what's the power? 1. So now we have log e, right? And then the power is 1, so the answer here should be 1. So that's a very important one. The natural log of e is equal to 1. Let's try another one. How about natural log of e squared? Okay, again, this is just log base e of e squared, and according to this property, our answer should just be the power there too. I'll do one more. If you have log base 7 of 7 to the 1/2, the answer would be just 1/2. Okay, so using that property again. Now let's look at this one. This one's a little different. This one says, let's say you start out with the base, raise it to a log with the same base, this is just going to come out. So if I take 2 and I raise it to log base 2 of 5, then here's our 2, like our a, our log here, these two are the same, so the answer is just the 5. If I do something like this one will be a little bit tricky. 10 to the log of z. Okay, well, wait a minute. What is log if we don't write the base? Well, it's 10. So notice we have 10 log 10 of z, so the answer should just be z. I'll do another one. How about e to the natural log of x? Okay, that's tricky also, but let's just remember, what is natural log? Well, natural log is log base e of x, so that's what this means. So you can see here we have e log e of x, so the answer should be just x. And that's a real important one to know. E to the natural log of x is equal to x. Let me try one more. How about 1/2 to the log 1/2 of 1/4? Okay, we have 1/2 here, right? That's our base here. Raised to the log, same base here, 1/2. So the answer should just be 1/4. So that's how you deal with this log to a base power, right? Or a base to a log power. You just have to kind of match it up with the formula and see what falls out.